Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose fake deals, shady websites, and misleading online offers so you can shop safely. Today, we're checking out a new website that's suddenly trending, Knit Patch Kit. They're offering all stitching accessories at 30% off. But is this a real deal or another online trap? Let's break it down. So according to their website, Knit Patch Kit claims to offer high-quality stitching accessories, professional and beginner-friendly tools, attractive 30% off, discounts across all products, smooth delivery and easy returns. Sounds great! But we all know by now that big discounts often hide big red flags. So we decided to investigate. Well, 1. Website design and AMP content. The website looks clean at first glance, but many images and product descriptions appear generic, possibly taken from other online stores or wholesalers. 2. Unrealistic discounts. Sites offering store-wide 30% off every single day usually raise suspicion. Most legit stores offer seasonal discounts, not permanent ones. 3. About Us and AMP contact page. In our review, the About Us page had very little real information, no company history, no verified business address, and most importantly, no owner details. The contact email also appears to be basic and not linked to a real support system. 4. Customer reviews. The website shows a few positive reviews, but they look copied or overly generic. We could not verify most of them outside the website. 5. Social media presence. Knit Patch Kit has almost no active presence on major platforms. A new store with little to no transparency is always a warning sign. 6. Shipping and AMP returns. Several buyers online reported slow shipping, poor tracking, and issues getting responses from customer support. Refunds appear delayed or sometimes ignored. After carefully checking everything, here's our honest opinion. The website does sell stitching tools, but the lack of transparency, suspicious discount strategy, weak customer support, and questionable reviews make it risky for online shoppers. This doesn't mean it's a 100% scam, but it definitely has multiple red flags that you should not ignore. So here's our final verdict. Knit Patch Kit is not recommended if you want guaranteed quality, proper customer service, and secure shopping. You can find the same tools on trusted stores like Amazon, Flipkart, or local craft shops with real reviews and fast delivery. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.